Hey, what's up everyone, this is Rahman and today we are talking about Metahero and Metaverse and also why Metahero is so strong and got so much potential. I got some few things I wanted to share with you guys, and also before starting the video you guys can go and follow me on Twitter. I post some crypto stuff there too, but must join my Telegram group. So all these ads aside, now let's start the video. And in today's video, we're talking about Metahero and also Augment, which make me question Metaverse thing overall. Well, so I don't know if I'm able to find it now or not, but that guy said that this all hype and this all Metaverse thing for nothing. Like we don't have any specific platform for that or any if you talk about social medias, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have YouTube, we know all this. But about Metaverse, we are just sharing news, obviously from Facebook, that they are now Meta, and people are now like blind. They just don't want to miss out anything. They don't want to miss out the next 100x, next 1000x, and that's why they are taking big risks also, which is good overall because I love risks. I do that too. I wanna be honest with you guys, but now I see people are like getting so desperate. They are jumping on random projects, which is super risky. There is this thing risky now that is super risky. If you talk about Metahero, Mana, Sand, and all these projects, they are strong projects. Daily volume is so high, and we know legit projects. But on every other day, people are now they don't wanna miss out next Mana. They don't wanna miss out next Sand, stuff like that. I hope you get me. And also the comment I talked about in start of the video, mentioning that all this hype for nothing, because right now we are just getting started. This is not even the first phase of this metaverse things. So be patient, guys. Like, don't just blindly jump in anywhere. We have not heard any news from Facebook yet. Like some updates, what they're gonna do, what they're gonna launch, or stuff like this. I hope you get me. So be patient, and also don't just blindly jump in anything. Do your research before doing anything. So guys, Metahero, you can say, is leading in this technology, which you can see on your screen also, the 3D scanning technology. So what this mean for Metaverse, I'm not gonna repeat all the stuff. Just mentioning it because it's important. Obviously, we need 3D scanning in Metaverse to make more realistic characters, avatars, and all the stuff like that. So now Metahero, I feel like, is one of the strongest projects related to Metaverse. Don't just go and jump in the next 100x thinking like, okay, I just missed Metahero, I'm gonna jump in this, I'm gonna make more money than that. I think sometimes save money is more important than these super high risks, because there are a lot of metaverse scams out there which are just scamming people. They know there's a hype going on for metaverse, and people are gonna jump in blindly, just hearing that okay, this is a metaverse project and maybe this is the next 100x. So don't do that, please. And about Metahero, it got a lot of potential. It can literally go a long way. I'm not mentioning the prices because it is not kinda a good thing to say. Okay, it's gonna hit $5. It's gonna hit $10. I see people don't really like it. But about Metahero price, I just wanna say that it is still low, even though it is on 20 cents right now. That's 25, I guess, 24 cents recently, in recent days, but it is still very low according to what I see in future what they're gonna do. And also their roadmap, you can see here, Q4 2021 website is done, Meta Scanner Future Blockchain Summit is done, and now the things I'm looking for is Metahero 3D NFT marketplace, artist influencer partnerships. That will be huge, I think. Onboarding strategic investors, further CEX listings. Guys, listings, don't miss this part. Metahero is a great project, all the stuff we all know, but where people are trading Metahero right now is KuCoin. KuCoin is a big exchange, but we know the actual big guns like Binance, Coinbase Pro, or the big exchanges, and I think it can easily get listed there in upcoming time, because the way it is going and their roadmap and all the things they're doing, plus the team and everything, So super duper easy for them to get listed there in upcoming time and growing that much. So growing international hero communities officially install public Metahero 3D chamber, Metahero mobile app v2. Some big things coming. And if you go here, if you wanna check out Everdome website, everdome.io, and on their Everdome website they have written the most ambitious metaverse project crypto has ever seen. Everyone is looking for the next potential 1000x, but dealing with launchpads and limited availability is tiresome. We have decided to reward our true heroes by guaranteeing sports on the pre-sale, the most ambitious metaverse project crypto has ever seen. So that sounds promising. How to enter, all the details you can see on their website. So these are the things I wanted to share with you guys, that this is a promising one, this is a strong one. Why not getting in this type of one instead of looking for 1000x and all the stuff? Even though that is possible also in crypto, I always prefer like less risk but high reward, and Metahero is one of that. So these are the things I wanted to share with you guys, and that first comment which make me question all this metaverse stuff because we have not seen the actual metaverse right now, where it's gonna be, or is it gonna be different worlds like we have Facebook, like we have Instagram, different apps, even though it is owned by the same company. But what's gonna happen in this metaverse thing, we will know shortly. So that's why be careful and do your research before just buying the land or anything like that. So that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.